What is up, XRP community? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for joining me. It is with much pleasure that I will announce the news that the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC is finally over. Ripple has the most regulatory clarity in the US around XRP that it ever has. I'm going to cover all that and more. As you can see right here on the chart, what caused these big green dildos right here? That's what we call big green candles. In technical analysis, we call these the green dildos. We love to see them. And this was the lawsuit ruling. So XRP pumped about 15-20% right after the ruling. And I'm going to cover all of that and implications. If you guys enjoy my content, I have a Telegram group. We talk all things crypto and more. I might charge for money in the future for this group, but for now it's free. So if you like my content, think about joining the Telegram group. And if you guys do use Twitter, I have a Twitter community, and I want you guys to start posting in the Twitter community any good news you find, and I'll cover your news stories in the future videos. That's also in the video description below. So right here, guys, because of this massive ruling that we have with the SEC, you can see I've been talking about this 6-year-long pendant in all my videos recently, and you can see now XRP has actually broken out of it because of this lawsuit ruling. And not only is it broken out of it, but you see this candle right here. It might be a little bit small on your screen. This is a very bullish candle, okay? Not only did it go down to this level that used to be resistance, but now this candle is showing this is now support. A lot of technical analysis people in the crypto Twitter sphere are talking about XRP and how much potential there is in it right now. Speaking of XRP, the XRP Bitcoin chart right here, also breaking out. This XRP Bitcoin chart just shows which asset you could have: Ethereum Bitcoin, Shiba Inu Bitcoin, XRP Bitcoin. It shows how much potential and how bullish an asset is compared to Bitcoin. So in this case, it's showing that XRP has more potential right now than Bitcoin. And in a way, it's decoupling. So Dr. Profit came out and put this big report out. He says, XRP, the big report. Everyone who knows me understands that I'm a major investor in XRP. This report is going to lay out the facts and show you exactly where we are heading next. XRP is a masterpiece for the long term. If you're thinking of making a quick buck with day trading this diamond, you're in the wrong game. Over the past year, XRP's price has fluctuated between 42 cents and 72 cents. This is not a short-term play. It's a coin that is designed for long-term investors who know the value of patience. Don't be fooled by the doubters that are telling you XRP is worthless, or the moon boys shouting about $589 targets. This report is going to give you the truth. No one dares to tell you that XRP exploded by a mind-blowing 60,000% in 2017. I do cover that a lot. And no one has the guts to admit that XRP is the only coin alongside Bitcoin that has consistently held a spot in the top 10 crypto market cap rankings for the past decade. I cover that as well. Even when XRP faced a brutal 75% crash in 2020 due to the SEC lawsuit and the overwhelming negativity from new investors moving to other coins out of fear, it still stood strong. Despite these crushing impacts, XRP has stayed in the top 10, which is just more impressive. And let's not forget, XRP hasn't seen a real macro bull run since 2017. It hasn't even come close to reclaiming its 2017 all-time high of $3.20. The SEC lawsuit was a negative magd, not sure what that word is, dragging XRP down and holding it back during the explosive 2021 bull market, causing big trouble and realizing its potential. Do you know that Ripple has partnerships with over 300 financial institutions worldwide? The Ripple network was tested in the European Central Bank and is even mentioned in the report. Same goes for the Bank of America and many other banks worldwide. XRP will play a key role in the CBDC implementation. Remember, the European Central Bank plans to launch the CBDC by the end of this year. Another reason to focus on CBDC-related investments, but only few will understand. But now, things are different. So, what's changed? Yesterday, the U.S. court ruled that XRP is not a security as the SEC claimed. The SEC has lost its case against Ripple. This is a massive bullish event due to the newfound regulatory clarity and the flood of bullish rumors that will follow. Is it far-fetched to suggest that the SEC and XRP might be working on an XRP ETF behind closed doors? This aligns perfectly with my with my ETF approval ranking prediction. First Bitcoin, second Ethereum, and third XRP, not Solana, as some have claimed. Today's decision is hugely bullish. Big investors who have been scared due to the lawsuit can now enter into XRP without fear. The lawsuit pressure is over. And remember, we didn't have a bull run in 2021 for XRP. Guys, think about what crypto coins that have been in the top 10 listings for the past decade, right? Every bull run, 2014, 2017, 2021, besides Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP, not a lot of coins last a whole cycle. XRP is the only one in the top 10 that has not hit all-time highs. That's massive potential. Technical analysis. Look at the TA and zoom out. The diagonal resistance from 2017 is still active, and it just rejected us again in March this year. 6 rejections since 2017. This line is no joke, but take a closer look. The chart is a 1-to-1 mirror image of 2017, right before the 60,000% breakout. Resistance is sitting at 72 cents, and breaking through it combined with the current news is an extremely bullish scenario. If we hit another rejection at 72 cents, don't panic. The breakout is inevitable, and I expect target to way above $1 latest by Q1 2025. Key buy zones are 38 cents to 44 cents. And then he wraps it up with best case scenario $16 to $20, worst case scenario $4 to $7. Time frame 1 year from today. And now for the XRP ETF talk. So this guy Kashif Raza, he's the founder of BitInning. It's a massive Bitcoin newsletter, and keep in mind this is a Bitcoiner saying this. Okay, he has over 140,000 followers on Twitter. He talks about XRP only, Ripple only getting a $125 million fine. And he says relief to the XRP community. You can expect XRP ETFs soon. And then Dr. Profit, I covered this earlier, showing you this graph, seeing the resistance right here. And with this news, I do believe as long as Bitcoin stays stable, XRP is going to see some explosive gains. And then Sentiment, the largest data aggregator for crypto chain analysis, they say XRP's market cap has skyrocketed once again, growing by 23% in the past 24 hours. Wallets holding between 1 million and 10 million coins on the XRP ledger now hold an all-time high of 7 billion coins. Right? I keep covering this every video because it keeps going up and up. But when whales are accumulating, that's smart money. That's who you should be listening to. Incredible Crypto, one of the best chart technical analysis people in the crypto Twitter sphere, talking about XRP as well. He says it's finally over. The stage is now set for an inevitable, in my opinion, mega run on XRP. New all-time highs are a matter of when, not if. Jeremy Hogan, crypto lawyer, XRP fanatic, says it's over. The SEC versus Ripple case has been quite a journey. Thanks for sharing it with me. $125 million penalty. They were asking for $2 billion, 94% decrease, and a generic injunction order, which I'm going to talk about. This is a big win for Ripple, no doubt about it. Have a wonderful day. Really quick though, a side note. Bitcoin hodlers have scoped up 23 billion in the past 30 days of Bitcoin. All right. So if you're worried about the crypto markets, look at these whales right here. 23 billion just in a month. That's absolutely crazy. So let's break down this lawsuit right here. Yesterday, August 7th, filing in the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York, Judge Torres found Ripple liable for more than $125 million, which it was expected to pay to the SEC within 30 days. The judgment came following competing motions between Ripple and the SEC, which argued that the firm should pay a maximum civil penalty of $10 million or $2 billion, respectively. Big difference. Based on the court's independent analysis of Ripple's expert report summarizing the relevant contract, the court finds that 1,278 transactions violated Section 5, this is the institutional sales, resulting in a civil penalty of $125 million. The court finds that Ripple's willingness to push the boundaries of the order evinces a likelihood that will eventually, if it not has already, cross the line, said Judge Torres. Brad Garlinghouse tuned in. He said the SEC asked for $2 billion, and the court reduced their demand by 94%, recognizing that they had overplayed their hand. I'm sorry, I'm just too excited right now. We respect the court's decision and have clarity to continue growing our company. This is a victory for Ripple, the industry, and the rule of law. The SEC's headwinds against the whole of the XRP community are gone. Chief Legal Officer for Ripple tuned in. Said a final judgment. The court rejects the SEC's suggestion that Ripple acted recklessly, and she reminds Judge Torres, the SEC, that this case did not involve any allegations of fraud or intentional wrongdoing, and no one suffered any financial harm. She rejects the SEC's absurd demand for $2 billion in fines and penalties. We respect the $125 million fine the court has imposed for certain historic sales to sophisticated third parties. And an ex-SEC veteran tuned in, Mark Fagel. They say, on the other hand, Mark Fagel, a veteran of the SEC and an expert in securities laws, has a different take on things. He sees the ruling as more of a court-ordered fix for the current case, not as a settlement. Fagel thinks the SEC might think about asking the court to review the decision, but he understands that no decision has been made yet. SEC has 60 days to decide if they want to appeal this or not. Fagel also mentions that the big financial penalty that was handed down to Ripple, which was way more than the company had asked for, but less than the SEC first wanted. The regulator did not get everything it asked for, but Fagel thinks the penalty is one of the highest non-fraud related fines in recent history. And XRP broke a major 4 billion milestone in millionaire addresses. So Santiment, they provide a lot of good crypto data. They analyze the blockchain. It says, however, on-chain platform Santiment reports that there are more reasons behind the price surge besides the lawsuit. In particular, there is a significant accumulation among high net worth holders, whales or sharks, anyone holding over $500,000 of XRP. And I covered this, I guess, a few minutes ago. They now hold a record of 7 billion coins, valued at approximately $4 billion. Guys, thanks for giving me 15 minutes of your day. If you made it to the end of the video, comment victory so I know who my loyal viewers are. I appreciate all you guys. If you have any feedback, just leave it in the comments below. Really quick, if you guys want $41 in free stock, sign up with Webull, deposit 1 penny. You can get up to $3,000 in free stocks, but typically you're just going to get 40 to 300 bucks. Sell your stocks, close your account, do whatever you want, but it's a great offer just for signing up and depositing a penny. Boom, $41. A link to Webull in the video description below. And if you need a spot to get crypto and you want to support the channel, check out Uphold. It's also linked in the video description below. God bless you guys. Until next time.